Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will delve into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has assigned VOO a rating of Hold Accumulate, resulting in a score of 0. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has witnessed natural fluctuations, with an overall gain of 3.27%. This equates to an average return of 1.09% each day since it was classified as Hold Accumulate. A score of 0 suggests that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to ascertain the ETF's next movement, as it could potentially move in either direction. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a narrow and weak short-term upward trend, signaling a potentially stronger rate of increase ahead. Should there be any pullback, support is now established at the peak of the recently broken trend at $546.84, a level that might offer a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $570.59 is the next likely peak level, which may present a resistance point that could withstand the initial challenge. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 7.57% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 2.78% to 7.45%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 26.80% over the upcoming year, with a potential return between 17.35% and 29.03%. This translates to a price range of $642.43 to $706.39 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Evaluation of VOO ETF downgraded after the last trading session. The VOO ETF price increased by approximately 0.753% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 7th of November, 2024. It rose from $543.36 to $547.45. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.604%, with a low of $545.18 and a high of $548.48. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 2.81% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, totaling 5 million shares traded for approximately $2.98 billion. It's important to note that declining volume amidst rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $548.48, while the lowest price was $398.21. Currently, the price is 0.19%, or $1.02, below the 52-week high of $548.48, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The recent surge in the S&P 500, which significantly influences the VOO ETF, follows Donald Trump's unexpected victory in the 2024 presidential election. analysts express optimism, with Evercore ISI predicting that the index could reach 6,600 by mid-2025, indicating a positive long-term outlook. This optimism is fueled by anticipated economic policies that may promote growth, particularly if the Republicans secure a majority in Congress. In the short term, market reactions have been notable, with U.S. indices achieving record highs after the election results. The S&P 500 experienced its best performance on the day following an election in history, demonstrating strong investor confidence. Notably, sectors such as financials and small-cap stocks are flourishing under expectations of policy changes that could enhance economic activity. However, some companies within the index are facing challenges, as illustrated by Match Group's significant decline in user engagement and failure to meet revenue targets. While this poses a concern, the overall sentiment remains strong. Investors are primarily leaning towards low-cost S&P 500 ETFs like VOO, as they provide a simple way to capitalize on anticipated economic growth in line with the recovery of the U.S. market. This blend of political stability and economic optimism places VOO in a favorable position for potentially substantial gains, both in the near future and beyond. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO ETF is currently showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is anticipated around 532.21 cents and 530.23 cents. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and since then, there has been an increase of 10.23%. Further gains are expected until a new top pivot is established. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. Furthermore, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivot points suggest a buy signal from 45 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal from 58 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 66 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 240 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $543.36, and this level could present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is likely when the support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund exhibits very controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered very low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $3.29 between its high and low, which represents 0.604%. In the last week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 0.89%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the ETF could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $543.36. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $529.38, reflecting a decrease of 3.3%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which minimizes risk significantly. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 44 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to categorize it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to hold or accumulate positions while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation for this ETF from a strong buy to a hold or accumulate recommendation since our last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 8th of November, we anticipate that VOO will open lower by approximately 4/1500ths of a dollar, starting at $547.04. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before you engage in buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.